Hello everyone, and welcome to the lab here at Nanoscience Instruments. Today we are going to use the tilting cradle to run a tilting contact angle measurement. I'm using the Theta Flow, but this accessory is also compatible with the Theta Flex. Before you begin, use the included bubble level to zero your tilting cradle. You can manually adjust the instrument's feet or use the software's tilting controls. Click on Sessile Drop and you'll see a brief initialization process that prepares the dispenser and stage. Drag the red sample surface bar to mark the surface on the camera. For a consistent image, click Camera Parameters and select Auto Adjust. To bring the pipette tip into focus, click Autofocus, then Enabled, then click OK. After the tip is in focus, disable the autofocus and click OK. Navigate to the Recipe tab to see that the tilting cradle is enabled. Set your tilting speed to your desired rate and set the droplet volume. When determining droplet volume, take both the surface material and liquid properties into consideration. It's also important to use a consistent droplet size when comparing multiple samples because the roll-off angle is dependent on the volume of the droplet. Finally, go to Image Recording Settings to adjust the recording length to observe the entire tilting process. The Stop from Trigger tool is a helpful feature that allows you to set a specific trigger point by dragging the crosshair on the camera window. When the droplet reaches this point, the tilting automatically stops, preventing the capture of unnecessary frames. Click Play to begin. The droplet of defined volume is dispensed on the surface, and the tilting cradle is used to tilt the entire tensiometer while measuring the advancing and receding contact angles. Once the droplet reaches the trigger, the crosshair turns from red to green, and the experiment will stop recording. The tilting cradle will return to its initial position. Switch to the Analysis tab to analyze your results. Double-click on your experiment, click No when prompted to use the default settings, and uncheck the Automatic Baseline option. Use the red sample surface bar to set a manual baseline and click Analyze All. Because the droplet changes shape as it is tilted, the manual baseline fits the droplet more accurately. After your results are generated in the left panel, switch to the Graph subtab to create a custom graph. Under X-axis, select Cradle Angle, and under Y-axis, select Sliding Speed. Click and drag a box to zoom in, and you can see clear motion beginning around 20 degrees, indicating that we have reached the dynamic contact angle. To identify the exact dynamic contact angle values, you can return to the Table subtab and click on the frame where the sliding angle begins. The contact angle on the left is the advancing contact angle, and the contact angle on the right is the receding contact angle. And that is how to use the tilting cradle to take a contact angle measurement using the OneAttention software. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you get the most out of your instrument. Happy experimenting, and we'll see you next time. Visit us at nanoscience.com for more information.